Today we are going to analyze um, one more test to see what we can get. In today's analysis, the strategy says you have a break on this high there, break up. So we want the market now to come back at least to that gap there. See that gap is where we want the market to come back to. You can also see that there is another gap somewhere there, but uh, we'll see if I think I'm not in my trading space today. I'm at home. I'm at farms where I live, where I was born. You could hear the sound of birds, the sounds of chickens, dogs, even cows. Okay, put it there. That gap there. We can only take that gap if we have another red candle that is going to deep into this gap, and then it closed above that red candle. Then we can take it high. But for now, we're not interested. So let's look at the second strategy. Strategy. Come on, I don't have money to pay you. Yesterday it was nice, and today it went high. Remember, I was waiting. I slept yesterday. I was waiting to break this high here since it has failed to break this one. I wanted it to break this one. It broke very nice. Came back and retested. Very nice. Okay, now we're here. As you can see that the market is creating even from here, right? Higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low. Then this, let's have a look. Now, this higher high, it hasn't been broken. See, this higher high, we're exactly at it. There, put it that way. That higher high, the market went down, right? That was a lower low. Walked a lower low. The market created the higher high. Then this higher high failed now to break this low. See this low? This low down there. What I do? So the market failed now. Because now here it created a lower low and failed to break the higher high. You can see the bodies all close below. Then ended up breaking this one going down. But immediately after that, instead of you as you're creating that higher high to come back now from that gap, you see that gap, to come back down. The market did not. Excuse me, instead of that, started to create a higher high from that. It broke that higher higher, went up and came back. It was some sort of consolidation up and down, up and down. But then, even on that up and down, you can see there was a higher high there and a lower low. This higher high failed to break that lower low, that higher high, and also failed to break this lower low. And there was that um, inside range trading. I see market. You see market. Okay. Well, then after that, we started to break that one because the market wasn't breaking any high or low. It's just in. See, it's getting smaller and smaller. See this triangle here. See that? And there to there. Okay. Then the market immediately now broke this one here. So the market there now is trying to throw us another direction. That now I still wanna go up. I still wanna go up. If I want it to break, oh, it already broke this one. So it failed to break that one. Okay, it's fine. We'll work with this one. We wanted to come back to these two areas, then up to where now? Shit. Hey, valid point. Oh, check the valid point around this area. Let's have a look. Oh, video. Well, we are telling who's above, and you already see that line there is already above this. There was an important, uh, there was an important uh, area there that we will expect the price to test it, but here nothing. All the way there, nothing, nothing, nothing. So we'd expect the price to take these highs, down. Actually, okay, today. So let's go back now to check where we can expect to take our profit. Oh no, yeah, take our profit up there. And the price to actually take the liquidity resting above there. I don't know what the price is doing now because it hasn't actually dipped into this. So we're not gonna take that. Let's go to another pair. It's the euro. The euro. Check the strategy. Check the strategy. What up? Eh, Okay, let's have a look. Let's have a look. The market has broken all these highs here. Let's just put this line. It's going up. This side and heading to yeah, well, nothing. What? Okay, and then is also here, and then here. Now take this one. Take this one. When the price come back to that important level there, as it's broken these highs. Very nice. Now we want the price to actually come back to these levels. You can see there is an opened gap there, but it hasn't even filled at once. And that's the price to come back down here. Before I consider apply a strategy, second strategy, look a bit back. We had a lower low, was broken, like that. We had a high now, came back down to a lower low. After that lower low, we had a break now, you see, we had a close above. Get inside, but you can clearly see there that we have a break. This can close above that. So we expect the price to retrace and let's look at the chef. What are you saying, chef? Master Chef? And all the way to that one. What can we say? We had a break down. So we expect the price to come back to after breaking. Down here, nothing. I think we have something. Snake is severely that something. Okay, we have a nice break. We expect the price to come back to that area there. Or even that one. See that big one? Like this. Then Yeah. Excuse me. Then that one is also valid. That also that cap, small cap, we want the price to come back down, to come back to it. I don't know. Yeah, girl. Ah, yang lele. Ngalala dyan. Where I here at home. I don't know. I'm doing this thing. I want us to go and work and work and work. Okay, already here. The price already here. And this was it an important level? Let's check here what was happening. That cap. It was an important level. I just touched it. Went away. Right. Check for another one. I don't know here. This level down here. Uh, no. The price can dip, but not expecting it to hold. There is this one down here. Yeah, already took the liquidity down here. The price goes back to these areas, which is most likely after taking this liquidity, it can go back to those areas. Then we sell to these areas here. Let's look at the second strategy very first. Oh, I go this one close below this one, and then lower low, fade, come back, and close below, close below, close below, on a downtrend. Hold on. So yeah, let's wait and see.